You're about to discover 55 million new ways to blow away your customers and make your creative teams love you. There's no doubt that your creatives have it hard today. With all the channels out there, they're scrambling to create more content that works everywhere more quickly than ever before. You can help by giving them the tools they need to create the content that makes customers pay attention. Adobe Stock for Enterprise is an amazing new service that puts more than 55 million royalty-free stock photos, graphics, and videos right inside their Adobe Creative Cloud apps, including a premium collection from the world's leading image makers. Finding the right asset used to be a time-consuming struggle, but not with Adobe Stock. Because it's perfectly integrated with Creative Cloud apps, your teams can easily find the right asset, preview it, and meet all their licensing requirements with just one click. They can collaborate instantly wherever they are, and because it's the work of the world's largest creative community, it's a world-class collection exploding with talent. At Adobe, we're all about giving creative people the tools they need to do great work, quickly and efficiently, and Adobe Stock takes this to a whole new level. A recent study showed that by using Adobe Stock to access images from inside their Creative Cloud apps, designers can do their work literally 10 times faster. 10 times faster! That means less time wasted hunting down images and more time invested creating great content. Plus, edits made to a watermarked image are automatically applied to the final licensed image once it's purchased, saving hours of double work. No more editing and retouching over and over. Those edits are synced, so anyone who needs to use an asset can be sure they're using the latest and greatest version. Read-only libraries let you invite people to view your files or use your assets while preventing them from making edits, which keeps things consistent. It's also always easy to see which images have been licensed, so you'll never waste money on duplicate purchases. See all the ways Adobe Stock for Enterprise can save you time, money, hassles, and thrill your creative teams. You will be amazed.